Hello, good morning to all first years. Hope due to this coronavirus pandemic, we are going to start online classes. So first, we have generally few of the topics have been deleted, and few of them are now like only for these IPE. I think they will be deleting. So better you go through all the topics. Now today I am going to start with the sixth unit. So this unit you will be getting 8 marks question. Okay, Pakka one 8 marks question will be coming for here long answers. So this unit is very important. Hope you all will go through. So today we are going to start with biology in human welfare. Okay. So totally you will have 8 units. Out of which I am going to explain from the 6th unit. That is, I am going to start with the 6th unit. That is biology in human welfare. So biology in human welfare. So biology means the study of science, study of life, okay, is called biology. Life may be of two types. It may be of plants or it may contains animal. Life, yes, animals and plants, both of them have life, right? So it includes both botany and zoology. Okay, so how it will be useful, we will be studying in this biology. So human welfare. So if you study about microorganisms, you will be knowing more details about this microorganism, and finally you will be it will be easy for us to identify whether this organism is useful or harmful. So here in this chapter mainly we are going to see the disadvantages of microorganisms or the diseases of microorganisms which they are causing. Okay. So autotrophs, the organisms which prepare their own food, and they are like utilizing the sunlight and water and gases from the atmosphere. It is preparing its own food. Example, if you take plants, they can prepare their own food. So autotrophs are the organism which can prepare their own food. Example, plants. Plants have the ability to prepare their own food by utilizing the natural sources like sunlight, water and gases. So those are called autotrophs. Next, heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are the organism which depends on autotrophs, which depends on other organism. Okay, not only autotrophs, other organisms also. Like it may depend on plants or other animals. Okay, so these are the organisms. They doesn't have the capability to prepare their own food, but they have the ability to depend. They are depending only on the other organisms. So they may depend on plants or other animals. So these are called autotrophs and hetero. Hetero ante different. So they are depending on different organisms. So auto means self. They can prepare their own food. Okay. Next, here in this chapter, before going to deep into this chapter, you have to know two terms: parasite and host. Parasite and host. Parasite is the organism which takes shelter in other organism. Parasite is the organism which is taking shelter in other organism, is called parasite. The other organism is host. Okay, host is the one which is giving shelter. Host is the one which is giving shelter. So if you think malaria patient is there, that means human beings are host, and malarial parasite is plasmodium. So plasmodium is living in the human being. Ante plasmodium vivox is the parasite and human being is the host. The one which is giving shelter is called host, and the one which is taking shelter ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ లో ఉంటుంది. సో హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ లో షెల్టర్ తీసుకుంటుంది కాబట్టి దాన్ని పారాసైట్ అంటాము. అండ్ హియర్ హోస్ట్ ఈస్ ద వన్ విచ్ ఇస్ గివింగ్ షెల్టర్ ఇస్తుంది. దేనికి? పారాసైట్, మలేరియల్ పారాసైట్. ఇన్ఫెక్షన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు మలేరియల్ పారాసైట్ అటాక్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. సో హియర్ malarial parasite nothing but plasmodium vivox. So okay, so this organism is taking shelter in the host like human beings. Okay, so that type of association, the association between two organisms of different species, plasmodium vivox is of different species and human beings are of different species. So they get benefits. So here the one will get benefit and the other will get harm. So the one which is getting benefit is called parasite. The one which is getting lost or loss. Okay, ఏమవుతుంది? Yes, we are getting fever, we are getting weaken of our body.